Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can implement a responsive navigation bar. And first of all, thanks for your support and love you showed in my earlier navigation bar video. So let me show you how it works. This is a responsive navigation bar, and this is a PNG Red Bull image which I have downloaded from Google and saved in Photoshop. And the actual size of this image is I have set it 200 pixel width and height 78 pixel. So here I'm using Mozilla Firefox. Just come to here and click on developer option, click on responsive design mode. So you can see this is the large desktop, and when we goes to the smaller screen like a tab or mobile, it will behaves like a it will show responsiveness. Let me show you. You can see here is the size of the Red Bull icon logo is mini small. So this is a feature of this navigation bar. Everything is summarized. When this is for mobile and standard width for max width 480 pixel. This is for tab, this is for large tab, and this is for desktop, and this is for very large screen. So let me start. Control N for a new page. Let me save it as so let me start with the HTML5 and I'm using only HTML5 and HTML and CSS. So type HTML and save it. I'm saving it as navbar.html. Save and HTML. Let me increase the size font. Okay, it's look good. Head and title, responsive navigation bar, body. Now, one important thing for the responsiveness, meta name equals to viewport and viewport content type equals to width equals to device width equals to device width, and initial scale equals to 1. So actually this is meta tag, and name of this meta tag is viewport. It will help to adjust the size of web page in any device, any size of a screen. That's why I'm writing here width equals to device width. So, and one relation, link and style dot CSS. So create a new page and save it as style dot CSS. Save. Done. As you can see, okay. Save. First div with ID equals to header. Close this div and div ID equals to header, and UL tag, close this UL tag, and within this UL tag, list, close this list, and within this list need an anchor tag href equals to hash for nothing, anchor tag close, and write here home. Copy this 3, 4 or 5 times, whatever you want, but in the next time you need to adjust it. Home, services, products, and contact us, contact, just contact, or about, it is better, and anything, log out. So save this and copy file path and come to the browser, create a new, close this, paste here, and see. This is the list of list and home, services, about, with a little margin and padding and list style and anchor tag, line, etc. It is 6:46. Okay, yeah, time is going very fast. We need to, here is only content, not type, just content, save. And asterisk means select everything, asterisk means select everything, and give it a margin 0 pixel, padding 0 pixel, save, and then body, background color, my favorite, sky blue, and come to the browser and refresh. So you can see I have selected everything by asterisk sign and give it margin and padding 0 pixel, body with background sky blue. Now this time to select a header, UL tag, and give a ID navbar, save, style, hash, navbar with, not navbar, first header, copy this header and come to the style, remove this navbar and give it header, and with set 100% and height 80 pixel, and width, sorry, I have given width 80 pixel, and background hash 333, save, refresh browser. So we have a nav, we have a header with 100% and height is 80 pixel. What is the sound coming behind? Hash navbar with 1000 pixel, navbar with 1000 pixel, and here is a little trick, we need to understand this. I have a UL tag, within this UL tag I have a list of elements, so I'm making a responsive navbar, so I have to keep everything in my mind. I have I considered 5 lists, so I have given width of this navbar 1000 pixel, so we need to divide this list in equal size of this navbar. So this is width of this navbar is 1000 pixels, so if we take 200 pixel for each list, then it will cover 200 plus 200 plus 200 plus 200 plus, it will be 1000 pixel. So come here and hash navbar within list and give a width 200 pixel I have given earlier. So yeah, that now you not realized, but now set a width 1000 pixel and height 80 pixel, same as the header. And for now I'm showing you border 1 pixel solid white. Let me check what is the sound coming from outside. 1 pixel white solid. Save it and come to the browser, refresh. So you can see white border, and width of this border, this div is 1000 pixel. So we need to keep it on the right side because I want to keep a logo here. So float right, save and refresh. Okay, now list style none, float left, list is left float. Okay, and now I'm going to take list anchor tag within I'm targeting anchor tag. So first of all, display block, and width of each anchor tag will be, I have already given width 200 pixels, so no need to give a width in the anchor tag. Color white and line height 80 pixel as width as same as the height of this navbar 80 pixel, and text line center, font family cursive, font size 20 pixel. So check output. You can see there is an output. List and give I'm taking a break from here. Text decoration none, save, refresh. Okay, so cool. Remove the border 1 pixel white, save. Now this time this is the header part, and here we need to add a div id equals to logo. Close this div. Within this div our logo is image src equals to, let me copy the name Red Bull, copy and paste it here, .png. Save, and now need to work on logo part. Hash logo, width of the logo is 200 pixel, height 80 pixels, same as the height of the navbar, and float left because our navbar is floated in the right side, so our logo will be left side. Refresh, you can see this is a first impression like this, you can see here. Now the navbar height 80 pixel we have given, and header box shadow. From right side, shadow is 0 pixel. From bottom, shadow is 2 pixel, and fade 4 pixel. Color of shadow is gray. Save. Refresh. You can see shadow like this one. You can increase the fadeness by increasing this amount, like 5 or maybe 6. Save and refresh. Here we need to increase 3 pixel and save. Refresh. You can see, but I want to keep it 4 pixel as my choice. Save. Now when we hover on list, an anchor tag, so background color will be sky blue, and color will be hash 333 gray. It's like a blackish gray background, same as the header color. So you can see and this is a list. Border from right side, 1 pixel solid, 1 pixel solid. What should be the color? 1 pixel solid gray. Copy it once more. One pixel solid from left side. Save and refresh browser. Here you can see this this come out from outside from this navbar. So we need to maintain this. As per our requirement, we can increase or decrease the width. So this is the height, we set it, and this is the list, 200 pixel. So you can change it to 198 pixel because we have given 1 pixel border from both sides, so it is 5, and I think it should be 90 pixel. And refresh. Now it's look good. It is not hovering. It is hovering, but it is not focusing. So we need to copy this content and paste it here. Copy this, cut from here, and right here, focus. Hover and focus. Save. Refresh. So it is focusing, but it is one more thing, padding for the logo. Padding from left for 20 pixel. Save and refresh. You can give more padding, 40 pixel. What is the time? It is going to be large. So in this part, no, need to write media query at the rate media screen and max width 1060 pixel. can see here. Developer responsive design mode. It is the size width of this screen is about 1300 pixel. So when it is going, it is behaving like this. So for this we need to maintain, and you can see here this is a very special feature of Mozilla Firefox. After 1200 pixel it is doing something, changing position. So it is almost 1260 pixel. You can see here 1254 pixel. So I'm giving more style.css and 1260 pixel. Save this and give a copy this above content from navbar and logo. Copy and paste it here. Tab and header is already 100%, so navbar we not needed this one over logo, and logo I'm going to select img tag logo image 150 pixel, height is 180 pixel, good, and float left 40 pixel, navbar will be 800 pixel. So when we divide 800 by 5, because we have 5 lists, so what is the output? About 150 or 160. You can keep 160 pixel, and so let me check the output. So here it is fine. This is the large screen. When we crossing 1260 pixel, then logo where size is decreased, and so we need to decrease the width. 150 pixel. Save, and so now it is fine. And these are the things is not necessary. Padding left 40 pixel or float left, because we have already given text decoration, cursive, text line block, it is all not necessary. And this color border left right is not necessary. This style none, only width is necessary. And save and refresh. So now I'm going to work for another @media screen and max width. Someone is coming. It is 24 minutes, so time is going very fast. The size of the video is going to be very large. So notice the with the screen size, it is about 1030 1040 pixel. You can see here. So I'm giving here 1060 pixel and copy the above content from header to copy and paste it here. and logo also. Keep this logo to this. Next time it is easy to copy. Save. So width is 1000 pixel, so we need to change width, and also height 60 pixel. 60 pixel. This is not necessary. Oh, what I did. 600 pixel height. It's 60 pixel, not 600. And with 100% with 750 pixel. Actually, give it 100%. Okay, and width is 190 pixel. So give it according to the percent. For each list there is 20%, because I have given with 100%, but not exactly 20%, because we have given border of 1 pixel, so it is should be 18% is good. This is style none, float left, border right 1 pixel, it is not necessary. Line height 60 pixel, and font size 16 pixel. Text decoration not necessary. Color display block not necessary. Font family text line center not necessary, and this is also not necessary. Float is also not necessary. This is style. Save it and set a position. Absolute and top 20 pixel, top 0 pixel. Nav bar position relative, and top say width of this is 60 pixels, so minus 60 pixel. I think not minus 60 pixel, because we need to care about the height of this logo. The height of the logo is 80 pixels, so we need to keep it 80 pixel. Save it. By the way, we have developer option. Everything is gone. Where? Okay, inspect. We have given a map bar minus 80 pixel, not minus, it's plus 80 pixel. So refresh and okay, fine. And background not here. Header, actually give this position relative to this header, then it will be good. Okay, fine. Now inspect this. What is that? What happened with this? Why it is not coming? Minus 80 pixel. Save and refresh. Okay, it is good, but not here. So when it is crossing 768 pixel, or you may 480 pixel, the rate media screen and max width 480 pixel. So copy from top and paste it here. This would be 100%. Height should be 60 pixel. 60 pixel, and remove all of this from here. Float, not float, none. Float none, and height 60 pixel. List this would be 100%, and place style none, float left, float none, float none. Okay, and remove this border left, and border from bottom 1 pixel solid gray, or maybe sky blue. Keep this line height 60 pixel. Overwrite everything. Text line center, font family, this is not necessary, and even keep 16 pixel. Text decoration is not necessary. Width 200 pixel. Okay, leave it. Save and come to the browser, refresh. So you can see here, this is a nav bar, but one more thing, this is the nav bar, this is a list, and give a background hash tree. Save, refresh. Okay, it is done. You can see in every situation, in every case, it is summarized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What is the time? 33 minutes. So sorry for this. Enough time. What can I do? But it is amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please.